When giants of the sea lose control, the results are nothing short of terrifying. From colossal ships breaking in half to cruise liners crashing into piers, these real-life accidents prove just how unpredictable the ocean can be. The cruise ship Carnival Glory attempted to dock and collided with the bow of the Carnival Legend, which was already moored. Each of these incidents serves as a lesson for captains.
Oh my goodness!
Near the coast of South Africa in Richards Bay, the massive coal cargo ship MV Smart ran aground and was struck by powerful storm waves. The hull could not withstand the impact and broke in half. All 23 crew members were evacuated by helicopters, and fortunately no one was injured. However, the risk of environmental pollution remains since the wreck has not yet been removed. In Baltimore, a cargo ship lost control and struck a pillar of the Francis Scott Key Bridge. The event happened within seconds, but the scale of the accident shocked even the emergency teams.
Малыш, уже вот-вот.
The trawler Geberg, formerly the Russian vessel Anatoly Guganov, sank in the Norwegian Sea in 2013.
Ага.
The final whistle was like a farewell, dedicated both to the crew who survived and to the sea that was about to take the ship forever.
Ну, паспорта, я думаю, хоть успели, наверное, Вот и все. Ушел бедняга на дно.
In Guayaquil, Ecuador, the Brazilian Navy training ship Cisne Branco struck a bridge and nearly dragged a tugboat underwater. Thankfully, everyone on board escaped unharmed. In the Gulf of Suez, Egypt, a drilling ship named Adam Marine 12 capsized. Sometimes accidents unfold so quickly that there is no time to react.
Valeu, ó. Valeu, os caras. A batida muito forte agora, hein, aqui, viu?
On the Madeira River in Brazil, a ship collided with the protective structure of a bridge. The damage was absorbed by design, and engineers later confirmed the bridge could continue to function normally.
Só que ela tá indo lá pra petroleira.
Essa d'água joga pra cá, pra Moré.
Taba ke kapal lagi siap. Weh. Weh. Aduh. Aduh. Oh. Weh. Weh. Awas itu balik. Jangan video. Weh. Oh, rusak takut. Weh, rusak takut. Weh, keluar. Keluar, keluar. 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 Weh, keluar, hey. Keluar.
In another case, a ship collided with two others that were already docked, causing panic but no injuries.
Oh my God.
The ferry Alay Bay was deliberately sunk in Izmir Bay after nearly 40 years of service. This was part of a project to create an artificial reef and promote diving tourism. A barge loaded with coal became entangled with a massive container ship, and it proved very difficult to separate the two vessels.
Slice. Buona.
On the River Scheldt, a barge attempted to dock, but the low sun blinded the captain and he was unable to avoid a collision with an approaching vessel.
Slow down! Slow down! Slow down! Stop engine!
Another accident occurred when a ship's cargo of bricks shifted, forcing the crew to intentionally run aground to avoid capsizing.
He done go already. The water done start to drain off the boat.
On May 12, 2023, in the port of St. John, the cargo vessel BBC Ruby collided with a barge. Authorities remain silent, but it is clear that the maneuver led to the accident.
Madrid está nombrado a las 14. Oh, el barco está hundiendo. El barco está hundido ya, las estas sí que tiene cuidado.
Aí, ó. Bateu, bateu. Bateu, olha. Eu quebrando a ponte aqui, o rebocador. Caraca. Eita, caraca, filha da mãe. Arrancou com tudo, olha.
In the Suez Canal, the heavy cargo ship Red Z1 lost control and struck a pier. Tugboats responded quickly. Stabilizing and towing the vessel within an hour. Traffic through the canal continued without interruption. In Venice, the cruise ship MSC Opera collided with the pier and the tourist vessel River Countess. The ship neither slowed down nor responded to signals leading to the collision. It remains unclear whether it was caused by technical failure or human error.
Qué lástima.
Era lo que faltaba. Ahora sí. Ahora sí, estamos bien. Ahí nomás. Era lo que faltaba, ahora sí.
Near the Senkaku Islands, a Japanese Coast Guard patrol ship collided with a Chinese fishing boat, creating a tense maritime standoff.
本線に当てました。
はい、今の位置確認、今の位置確認。